Hello all, it's Sharon and
Me.
and in today's video we're back with an IKEA haul, which is something I didn't think I would do anytime soon because where I live we don't have any stores here. But I kept on seeing IKEA pictures and stuff on my Facebook, so I just decided to add a couple items to the cart and see if I could get delivery. And they said they could deliver for $10 to our local home hardware store or for an extra $5 to my house. So that's really good to know. But we needed some new storage bins, so that's why I wanted to go on there and see what they had. So I found this really cool container. I'm going to mispronounce the name, so I'll just show you, and you can look up the code as well. There is the sizing information. This one flips up like this. I already kind of took the plastic out, but this is a divided container. Now, we used to have a homeschool cart and used to have a lot of our supplies on it. I got this bin just to have all the stuff that we might need, like his crayons and pencils, pens, like that kind of stuff all in one spot. Because sometimes we're at the table, sometimes we're at the desk, sometimes, most of the time, I'll insert a picture here. Most of the time, he likes doing his work on my bed sofa. So, yeah, so it's good to have all our stuff in one spot. And then by that same brand is 3 containers. That's the sizing. They come in a green, the light purple, and light blue. These are not divided though, but these are smaller ones. I thought this would be perfect for sorting out smaller items. We always need a lot of storage when it comes to homeschooling. And then it also came in another color version, which I'll show you what that one looks like. So yeah, it also comes in red, pink, and yellow. And these do have these little holes at the bottom, and there's the little grooves at the top, so you can stack these all up. Yeah, so I'm happy to have these containers, because like I said, I always have like small things, especially like counting. There's little puzzle pieces, connector pieces, any little arts and crafts supplies. So yeah, these will come in handy. And then I picked up 3 of these gray trays. I thought they'd be great for doing Play-Doh and like volcano experiments and any kind of messy play, kinetic sand, stuff like that. So here is the sizing information and the number if you want to look it up. So yeah, I got 3 of those. We do have one large tray, but it kind of has these like silicone dots on it, and some of them have come off. So if he's doing something really messy, it leaks. So that's why I wanted to get some new trays for messy play. And then I recently set up a workbox system using the Trofast containers. There is a sizing on this one and the number. And I wanted to get 2 more bins so I can make more workboxes. They didn't have this darker green color, but they did have these like kind of mint green color ones. So I got 2 of these. But then after ordering these, I decided that I don't think we're going to do workboxes, and I'm going to use these bins in that shelf as like extra storage. And then we're going to do a morning basket instead. So I'll show you the other bin I picked out, which I was going to use for something else. I think is going to be our morning basket now. But yeah, so 2 of these. And I didn't get the lids for these ones because I just kind of wanted them open drawers so I can toss things into them. So this is the lid for those bins, the sizing and the code. You do have to buy the lid separately. But I think now, like I said, workboxes are intended for like the child to do independent work, and I think when Nate was younger he was more into that, but now he likes to just, you know, he likes to do work with me, and you know, puzzles and games is easier, and then I, you know, can make sure also the work is getting done. So I think we're going to be doing I'll do like an activity bin with like all the activities, and then every day I'll pull, you know, a couple of the fun activities and then put them into the morning basket, and then when he's doing his work books, then he can do the other puzzles or games, whatever else I have in there. So yeah, I originally got this larger dark green Trofast bucket for storage for like sensory items, but this I think will now be the new morning basket, which I'm going to do a whole video once I set up the morning basket. But there's the code and the sizing for this one. Yeah, so it's a nice large green bin. This would also make a fun sensory bin if you had multiple kids, because you know it's got deep space. But yeah, just wanted to come on here and show you all this IKEA haul. I'm happy that IKEA delivers to where I am, because like I said, I'm in a really small town. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.
Take care. Bye for now.